Hello students, welcome to Dr. Ashoraf's classes. So as you know that we are solving the UPSC 2021 this maths optional paper, and we are solving paper 2. So this is section B, and we have in the previous video we have solved this up to question 6a. So in this video we will solve the next part of this question 6. So let's see the question. So obtain the Boolean function f of x comma y comma z based on the table given below. Then simplify f of x, y, z and draw the corresponding gate network. So this is given, the table is given x, y, z values. So this 0, 0, 1 and so from this 1, 1, 1 to 0, 0, 1, the corresponding output is given. So we have to see the terms of each individual this table of this element. Okay, so what are the main terms associated with this? Okay, so the thing is that what will be the mean terms? So this is xyz, right, and 110, so xyz bar, and 101, this is xy bar z, right, and this is 100, so 011, so this will be x bar y z. So these are the mean terms. So the mean terms are xyz, xyz bar, xy bar z, x bar yz, right. So now f of x of y comma z, so this will have xyz plus xyz bar plus xy bar z plus x bar yz, right. So if we simplify this further, so take this equation over here, so this f of x comma y comma z, so it will be equal to, if we take the xy common from first two, so it will be z plus z bar plus it will be the second, if we take, so it's let it be same, so xy bar z and x bar yz, okay. So it will be xy plus xy bar z plus x bar yz. Now we can do this, so it will, you can write this as x bar y, so this is pretty easy, you can do this, x bar y z, so x bar y z, take x common out of it, and it is y plus y bar z, right. Then we can write it as x bar yz plus, this can be written as x multiplied by y plus y bar into y plus z, right. So this y can be written as like this in this product form. So this is equal to x bar yz plus it is x, so 1 y plus z, right. So let's do the simplification, it's gonna be xy plus xz, right. So from here we can do again this, further simplify it, take y common, so x bar z plus x, right. The next step we can do the similar process, so x plus x bar x plus z plus of xz, So this is y of 1 x plus z plus of xz. So this will be equal to xy plus yz plus zx. So that is the simplification and expression of this. So f of x, y and z, this is equal to xy plus yz plus zx, right? So we have to write the gate network, draw the gate network, right? So from here you can see that xy, yz and zx, they are in and the total expression is in OR form. So we have a 3 AND gates. Okay, so then we have this for two outputs. This is x, this is y, and this is z. Let us take this. So this is x, y and z, right? So from x we have this xy, xy and xz. So x will go to okay, this is xz, right? Then we have this x of y, and we can draw this in this manner. Okay, so this is x of y, and we have y of z. This is y of z. So all will go into a 3 input OR gate, right? So this is the OR gate, and we will just, so that is a very simple circuit, you can see. So this is gonna be this f of x comma y comma z. Okay, so that solves our question number 6b. That's a pretty easy sum. So next we will solve the question 6c. So this in the next video. Okay, so it's easy to understand. So here are the mean terms you have taken at. So that is the, so the expression simplify we have got. So what is the answer over here? Write down the answer: xy plus yz plus xz. Okay, now see you in the next video.